Yes,
Okay,
sir.
dear. So now we have decided first week of December it will be for your revision for PT3. So in most of subject teacher had decided for a revision. So first to fifth December revision will be done through the during your Zoom classes. And here you know syllabus. We have post syllabus on your WhatsApp group from geography, 8 chapter, from civics, chapter 6, understanding media, and from your history, Mughal Empire. We'll take the Mughal Empire at the last because it is difficult what we observe for student to learn history. So at last we'll discuss about the Mughal. Now today we are going to discuss about media. It is easy chapter and syllabus you know what will be paper pattern for your weekly test, sorry, for your PT3. It will be subjective of 25 marks, subjective paper of 25 marks, maximum marks 25,
Good afternoon, sir.
time duration 1 hour. Okay. Subjective. So 5 question of 1 mark and 2 marks question, 3 marks and five like five question will be carry 1 marks. Five question will be carry 1 marks equal to 5 marks. Six question carry 2 marks. Six question carry 2 marks equal to 12. One question will carry 3 marks. One question will carry 3 marks equal to 3. And one question will be carry 5 marks. So total number of question will be 5, 6, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So there will be a 13 question. So prepare yourself according to it. It is your paper pattern and manage your timing. No one question should be left during the exam. Now dear, we are going to start understanding media. So media, you know, playing important role in our society, you know, today from morning, early morning to till late night or all 24 into 7 hours. Media is working. Media means news channels, media, serials, movies. Understanding media means whatever information we are getting from different sources, that is known as the media. These are the medium. Medium is these are the sources which are conveying their message to us. These are the sources. So media now has changed in different through the technology. Media has changed. Earlier time when we have no such technology, we use the different sources for to convey the message. Like we sometimes we were use the bird like a kabutar or such bird we were use earlier to convey the message. Sometimes we use the different indication like a small also different color of smoke we earlier we were used to convey the message. Later on we have started the such instrument like a dole or drums we have to convey the message during 15th 16th century like a drum beat a sound to convey the message. So all may be aware about that is some message maybe as they want to convey. So like such early instrument we were used for to convey the message. Now later on we have started the innovation and printing machine, photocopy machine is started. So now we have started the art message and in writing part. So postcard, letter, newspaper is started. So these are the medium to convey the message. Later on, after technology has improved, radio has started to convey the message. Later on, through the technology, black and white TV. After upgradation of technology, color, Android TV, mobile phone, different magazines like this. So these are the media which convey the report to us. So this is known as the media. And today, radio, television, newspaper, electronic media is conveying the message to the mass population. These are the sources which are conveying the message to the large population. Suppose any new channel is going on, so it may be watched by the lakh of people or mass population. एक ही न्यूज को कितने लाखों लोग एक साथ देखते हैं. तो such media, such device is conveying the message to the mass population. So radio, television, these are known as the mass communication or mass media. This radio, television, newspaper is known as the mass media. What is mass media? Which media is conveying the message, communicating the huge population or million of population, that is known as the mass communication or mass media. Another one, to convey the message, news reporter is required, office are required, lights are required, sounds are required, tools are required, cameras are required, latest technology is required, communication sources are required. So for that, money is required to set up the office, to give the salary to the different employees who are collecting the news from the different sources, different region. Now media require technology. For a technology, money is required because technology we can purchase through the money only. So when media is updated, today's media is updated. So how it is possible through the technology? It is possible. Today I am using laptop. It is the through the technology. Today we are using the Zoom app. It is possible through the technology. Today we are conveying the message through the live chatting or maybe the live video conference or like this. Zoom communication, yeah, Zoom app also part of that. We are communicating, live communication is going on. So these are the technology which create the help to us for communication. This is known as the technology. Updatation in technology. Earlier time we were using the 2G mobile. Later on we started the 3G mobile. Later on we are today present we are using the 4G mobile, or maybe possibility in future we maybe use the 5G mobile. Company has started the launch 5G mobile from earlier onwards. पहले से कंपनी ने 5G मोबाइल लॉन्च करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. तो अपडेटेशन इन टेक्नोलॉजी इट विल improve the quality of communication. Today sometime no proper voice or maybe the such possible through the net speed. But in future when we use the 5G, so it may be help to improve our quality, sound quality, picture quality will be improved. So it is possible only through the technology. Or to purchase new technology, money is required. So media and money has the relation. So to set up a new channel, money is required. So most of new channels are set up by the businessmen, rich persons, who collect the money from for media through the advertisement. During the news, if you have seen news channels as repeated one advertisement 1,000 times, that is advertisement. Those represent particular brand values through the celebrities, to the different resource person. That is advertisement through the what is the income of televisions or media or news channel. They earn through the advertisement. They may be charged 2 or 3 lakh rupees per 10 seconds. It depends on the their news. It may be depend on their different terms and conditions. So approximately they may be charged to where what is their income sources. Their income sources is advertisement. How the advertisement they make we'll discuss in chapter 7 under studying advertisement. So many times advertisement also use such are feelings or emotions. Such sometimes advertisement may be hurt our dignity. When we have seen like a such advertisement related to Johnson baby soap, or what type of picture or such message conveyed by the advertisement such brand, if we are not using Johnson baby soap for our kids, it means we are not giving the proper treatment, proper health facilities for our kids. It is possible. If any mother, due to the financial condition, she unable to use such branded soap, that means she is not giving the proper care for her children. Or what? How do you will prove yourself? How the brand will prove your their self? Ki whatever product we are using, it will has no such side effect, or maybe the best for that. Why? Why such products are available in market at a high prices? We'll discuss in advertisement. Suppose this is a mobile, maybe manufactured by a particular company. So company profit include in this mobile. Later on, it will government, state government also, maybe suppose anyone industry located in your Rajasthan mobile industry. So first owner profit include in this mobile. Later on, state government taxes may be imposed on that mobile. Later on, central government taxes on that mobile. When this mobile may be export to the other nation, तो such nation also impose the taxes on that, क्योंकि सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट भी बेटा इसको वहां मान लो सपोज इंपोर्ट कर रही है किसी कंट्री की गवर्नमेंट, तो वो भी तो उससे पैसा कमाएगी ना, तो उसमें वो टैक्सेस लगेगा वो भी मोबाइल पे. सपोज एनीवन सेलिब्रिटीज हु हैज एडवर्टाइज्ड दिस मोबाइल और चार्जेस इट 10 crore or 2 crore rupees, so that cost will be included in this, showroom cost will be included in this, employees wages or cost salary will be included in this mobile. That's why prices जो होती है इनकी 30,000 20,000 लाइक, और रेल में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कॉस्ट ओनली इनकी जो 20,000 का मोबाइल आया हो 12 और 14,000 कॉस्ट होती है. So that how to the advertisement made we'll discuss in chapter 7. Or many times if you are not using the branded item, then how do you feel? क्या dignity may be hurt? If you are purchasing the product from the loose market, so it may our dignity may be hurt. We have independency. It's our right. We can purchase our product from anywhere. If I am not using branded item, all the time Mahatma Gandhi, there were many learned people who are not use such branded item. But today, what is going on in our society? Most of children, most of citizens, they want to purchase the branded item. If you make the list of such branded item and make a list, if you are using from morning to till night 10 branded item, so which are the list of the 10 branded item? Please compare that. Out of 10, how many branded item produced by your nation? If there are 3 products, just an example. If there are 3 products produced by your nation, it means what? About 7, where you have invested on 7 product, उसका पैसा दूसरी कंट्री में चला गया है. It means what? You are giving your currency, your money to other nation. 7. If we are unable to manufacture such product, so why should we invest on the foreign product? Today I am using the any laptop, whatever mobile, both my product is manufactured by the foreign countries. I'm not giving the example of anyone. I'm taking example myself also. मैं खुद से ले रहा हूँ because when we want to the purchase such good quality product, तो such product may be imported by other nations. So it means what? हमारी currency का flow right in other nations. Why it is going on? Later on we will discuss. So through the what are the sources for media? That is the money. From money, where to money come? From the advertisement and media and democracy. What is going on inside our country? It should be represented by the media. Media is the fourth pillar of democracy. Media play the important role. So what are the duties of media to represent the balanced report? Set agenda, one word is given. Set agenda many times. Media decide what should be published on front page or what should be focused or maybe present in last page. So many times what happens, those news are important for society that are represent at the last or such news which are not maybe valuable or such are not valuable for anyone that may be represented at the front page. But paid news are present at the front page. Why? Because media is getting the income through the paid news. Like anyone celebrities, anyone such like a fair or maybe anyone such fashion show is going on, such news may be published on it. So democracy, media plays the important role in democracy. Or if media represent what decision our government is taking regarding their press conference, regarding any issues, it will be published by the media. So dear student, these are the main point of this chapter. Through the revision, we have discussed how what is the work of media, how the media is improving himself through the technology, foreign technology, where money are coming from the advertisement. Advertisement to related, I have given the short introduction. After advertisement, media and money, and media and democracy. If you have any doubt, you may be asked. Tomorrow we will start chapter 4 air. Okay, thanks. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta.